Today we're diving deep into a topic that's crucial for all of us in today's digital world. Save your sight, 7 powerful herbs for healthy eyes. We spend countless hours glued to screens, bombarded by blue light and straining our precious peepers. But what if there was a way to naturally fortify your vision and fight back? That's right, nature has provided us with a treasure trove of herbs that boast amazing benefits for our eyes. So buckle up, because in the next several minutes, we'll explore 7 powerful herbs that can be your secret weapon for healthy vision. Before we jump in, let's acknowledge that these herbs are not magic bullets. A balanced lifestyle is key, which we'll talk about later. But first, let's meet our star herbal allies. Number 1. Bilberry, nature's night vision booster. Our first contender is the mighty bilberry. This little berry packs a powerful punch of anthocyanins, those amazing antioxidants that give fruits their vibrant colors. In bilberry's case, these anthocyanins act like tiny shields, protecting your eyes from free radical damage. Free radicals are unstable molecules that wreak havoc on your cells, and the eyes are especially susceptible. Bilberry may also be a night owl's best friend, potentially improving night vision and overall visual sharpness. Number 2. Ginkgo biloba. Enhance circulation. Enhance vision. The ancient ginkgo biloba. This revered herb boasts a history dating back millions of years. Ginkgo is loaded with antioxidants, but it also shines in another area, blood circulation. Proper blood flow is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to your eyes, keeping them functioning at their best. Studies suggest ginkgo biloba may improve circulation, potentially benefiting conditions like glaucoma. Number 3. Saffron, the golden spice for eye health. Saffron, the king of spices, isn't just about adding a luxurious touch to your dishes. This crimson thread has been used in traditional medicine for centuries, and its benefits extend to your eyes. Saffron's magic lies in its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These properties may help combat age-related macular degeneration, AMD, a major threat to vision as we age. Saffron may also be helpful for managing inflammatory conditions like uveitis, where the middle layer of the eye becomes inflamed. Number 4. Turmeric, the curcumin connection. The golden warrior turmeric is next on our list. This vibrant spice gets its power from curcumin, a bioactive compound with a long list of health benefits. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory prowess is particularly relevant for eye health. Chronic inflammation is linked to several eye problems, and curcumin may help mitigate its impact, protecting your precious ocular tissues. Turmeric might be your hero. Studies suggest it can reduce inflammation and improve symptoms associated with dry eyes. Number 5. Rosemary, more than just for remembrance. Rosemary isn't just for remembering loved ones. This fragrant herb is a powerhouse of antioxidants, particularly in its essential oil. These antioxidants shield your eyes from oxidative stress, a major contributor to age-related eye decline. Rosemary also boasts anti-inflammatory properties, making it a valuable ally for maintaining overall eye health. Beyond inflammation, rosemary may improve blood circulation, ensuring a steady supply of nutrients reaches your eyes. And if you spend a lot of time staring at screens, rosemary's reputation for enhancing cognitive function might be a welcome bonus. Number 6. Dandelion, a nutritional powerhouse for your eyes. Don't underestimate the humble dandelion. This sunshine-colored weed is a treasure trove of vitamins and minerals essential for eye health. Dandelion is a great source of vitamin A, crucial for maintaining healthy eyes and supporting night and color vision. It also provides vitamins C and E, adding to your body's antioxidant defense system. But wait, there's more. Dandelion boasts lutein and zeaxanthin, carotenoids that accumulate in the retina and contribute to sharp vision. These carotenoids may help reduce the risk of AMD and cataracts, keeping your eyes healthy for longer. Number 7. Fennel, a feast for your eyes and taste buds. Last but not least, we have fennel seeds. These tiny powerhouses are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Fennel provides vitamin A in the form of beta-carotene, essential for healthy retinas and good vision in low light and color. The combination of vitamin A and antioxidants in fennel seeds offers double protection against free radical damage that can harm your eyes. And there you have it, 7 incredible herbs that can support and potentially enhance your vision. Remember, it's important to maintain a balanced diet, exercise regularly, get enough rest, and have those all-important regular eye checkups. Take care of your eyes, and they'll take care of you for many years to come. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips. Let me know in the comments if you've tried any of these herbs for eye health, or if you have any other favorites. Thanks for watching.